morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today's going to be a special day. I mean, it is, man. We're going to go eat a great meal with friends, ride around the motorcycle a little bit. It's special. It really is. It's beautiful out, too. Look at that. It's almost $5 a gallon. Today, I'm riding the 2012 Triumph Speed 101050, which I totally adore. GSX-R still in the shop. Hopefully she gets out of jail soon. And right now we're meeting up with our buddy Tango. Oh, that guy. Always a good time right around that guy. And I really don't know where we're going to go. I left it up to Tango. It's going to be a surprise. Hello, sir.
What's up, buddy?
She's a beaut. It's a Triumph day, I guess. So how dangerous is this?
Oh, dude, seriously.
All right, Mr. Tango, where are we going today?
We don't have to go if you don't want to, but I've never been to Selmas Pizza. Have you?
Selma's Pizza's pretty good. Can't say no to pizza.
Okay. I was thinking the one in Rancho.
That's the one. What's up, man?
What's up? Yeah, I saw you the other day. Dude, you were somewhere over there. I'm like, I'm going to say hi to this guy.
Right on.
Thanks for the video, bro.
Hey, thanks for watching. Means a lot, brother.
Oh, I don't know how many years right now.
Yeah? I'm still grinding all these years.
Monday, 6 in the morning, I'm there.
Monday, 6:30, my man. Thanks for watching, brother. The best fans in the world. For sure. 91. Yeah, 15 bucks. Not too bad. I remember back in the day when I first started driving motorbikes, fill up for under $5 in Michigan. Think about that. All right, all right. Full tankaroo. Yeah, we're not gonna see Bob today. You know what we should have done? Should have brought a mailbox key. The P.O. box, man. I haven't checked the P.O. box in forever. This is cool. Oh, wow. Selmas! Yeah, we've been here before in a video. I believe I went with Cloud. Selmas serves Chicago-style pizza. They got a deep dish pizza that's pretty good. The food here is pretty good, but the service sucks. We've been hitting up the pizza joints and getting all these stone-fired pizzas. Before we left, I was telling Tango, Selma does have good pizza, but the consensus from every time I've been there with the people that I've been is that their regular pizza is quite a bit better than the deep dish pizza for some reason. So you know what they say, a bad pizza is good. Yeah, that's bullshit in my book. I've had some shitty pizza. One time, Scott Adventures and I, we ventured out to LA to a place called Matza Pizza. And that Mario Batali guy and some other famous chef owned this place. Dude, we got these pizzas, man. They're little tiny pizzas. Cost like 20 bucks for the pizza. Dude, I don't think I ate 3 bites of it. I hated it for some reason. Maybe somebody without the palate of a 3-year-old would have enjoyed it, but I wasn't into it. Pretty sure we left and went and got a cheesesteak, right? I mean, that's the default for this channel. When something goes wrong, hit the eject button, go get a cheesesteak, man. When in doubt, cheesesteak. Remember that. Selma's Pizza. Yeah, so if you want to know any of the history on Selma's Pizza, link to that video in the description of this video. Remember when I took the GSX-R up that hill? Not pleasant. A lot of activity on this crosswalk today. All right. Today is pizza day. Not a bad day when it's pizza day. Thanks. Yeah. Selmas, your first time here. Now, we didn't get their Chicago style. It would have taken an hour for them to cook that bastard. So you and I, we got the lunch specials. I got the deep dish one, you got the thin crust one. Both got the salads and a water. Came out to about 21 bucks. Now, I gave you half of my pizza, and I took half of yours. How'd you feel about them?
It was good. I like my thin crust to be like a little more crispier.
Yeah.
It was really a lot of sauce. The deep dish with like the burnt edge on it, I dug that a lot. But it was good. I would go back tomorrow. It was good.
I liked what you got. You got the thin crust. I would have taken that over the deep dish.
2 big salads.
That's how yeah, they were so big. They're over. I made such a mess.
The waitress was nice.
Tipped accordingly.